So this is a foundation we waterproofed originally when the basement was finished back in 2000. And we did a complete our interior system. There's a below floor drainage system in place. The then homeowner didn't want us to dismantle the entire basement. So we installed a system, we did a little bit of removal, and it's a very complex, very elegant basement. And now the house has been sold, and we're back. This is the system as it stays. We've still got the water penetration through the wall being controlled by the below floor drainage system, and all the hydrostatic pressure being controlled by the below floor drainage system. Prior to this basement going back together, we're going to install a vapor barrier from the top of the wall down to behind the drain board, and that's what's going to control the moisture that's happening right now. This part of the home was built in the 70s, but originally I think the home was in the 1800s, early 1800s. And over time, with landscaping gets added and the grade goes higher and higher and higher. And in this case, the grade is actually above the sill plate, the wooden sill plate. So we've got water coming over the grade, which isn't technically a waterproofing problem, even though there's water as a result ending up in the basement. So that's why we're going to do an exterior drainage system and do some regrading to carry that surface water away from the wall. In this case, there are two window wells that they've left in place and they haven't abandoned. And so we've been able to install window well drains and concrete bases. We did this work recently because they were having some water come over the window wells. This drain here, this 2-inch pipe, runs from the inside of the window well down and is plumbed directly into the sump liner. So here's the drainage system that was installed in 2000. It's still very clean. A little bit of dirt from construction around it. The pump is still operating fine. Draining the liner. You've got a bigger hole with the stone around it that's the collection device, and then the pump is the removal.